Okay, ladies and gentlemen, they say that y is equal to 3x squared minus 5x plus 6 if the tangent is perpendicular to the line y is equal to half x 3 all over 4. So then let me try to elaborate for what is going on. So I'll try to draw the graph or so in the graph our a is positive, so it will a smiling graph again. Then the tangent could be passing somewhere on I want again, yeah. Let's assume we have a okay. So then the line y is equal to half x plus 3 over 4. Ne? Like this or something, creating a 90-degree angle. I try to elaborate the way I can. So then this line, so then this line name, how no ekafeta miste are, how no ekafeta on the point of contact, they are tangentially the graph name. So then it over further away or it igas fit because ikafita is going to be easier to find our x. So let's assume I fit and I fit like sort of part again. Sure. So what is going on? When I see perpendicular line, now I remember this thing or m something multiplied by m something is equal to -1. Reason being perpendicular lines. Again, right? See what this thing from analytical geometry. So then also idilaga the m of tangent again. The m of y, which is the equation A. Again. So then what is the mt array again? So as mt. Then my right there, it's half. Again, so now do we get the half name? Y equals to half x plus 3 over 4. This thing can be written as y is equal to mx plus c. Again, so in place of m, Bano gets half. Again, so then that's why I'm going to still half because my m is half. Again, so then this thing is equal to -1. So right now, for cancel a multiplication, you cancel it by division. So we divide a half. Name can divide a half, and this cancels this. I'm left with mt is equal to -1 divided by a half. It will over -2. Again, so then raguisho our m again. Okay. So now can require m ya tangent. M can also be represented as f prime of x. Come calculus, again, or dy over dx. It can be represented in this way again. Sure. So now what I'm going to do now, when I got dy over dx or f prime of x again. So then dy over dx is going to be equaling to 3x squared, clarifying 6x again. Then 5x, you're -5, then 6 and x, it's going to be 0 again. So in equation again. And then as I said, I said that m is equal to f prime of x or dy over dx again. So the moge one dy over dx m again. So now mt is -2. Or -2 is equal to 6x minus 5. So when you get or get like -2 again. Then I'm going to take this -5, get transpose on the other side. They never positive. Here positive, you have -2 plus 5. You have positive 3 again. 3 is going to be equal to 6x. Next step, x, x. So I'm going to divide again 6. Then what you do on the left hand side, you gotta do on the right side again. Then we divide 6, 3 over 6, you punch the calculator, it will form half is equaling to x. And get sure. So I'm going to use the very same x to find my y value. Name. So I'm going to go back to the original equation. A ring y is equal to 3x squared minus 5x plus 6. My difference go now. Moke one x gonna get a half. Again, then go y is equal to 3 half squared minus 5 half plus 6. Then you punch a calculator. Answer array 17 all over 4. If I'm not lying. Name. I'm lying. Thank you. Then no, so barely equation of the tangent again. Equation. So in equation, yeah, a line, right? So of a straight line, it represents y is equal to mx plus c. Again. Yes. Oh, then K2 M again, or y is equal to my m, it's negative 2 again, x again, then plus c. No c. How do I get c or how do I find c? Konyaka a certain point think I very or c. So we only have 1 point more. The point is half is to 17 all over 4 again. So when I see y 17 over 4 is equal to negative 2 my x, it's half again, then plus c again, then negative 2 multiplied by half, erfa negative 1 again, then negative 1 kai transpose to the other side. You was 17 over 4 plus 1 again, then you punch your calculator, authority c is equal to 17 all over 4 plus 1, erfa 21 over 4, if I'm not lying. Then, therefore, or y is equaling to negative 2x. See another again, 21 over 4. Thank you.